Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. I'm Denise and I'm a vintage reseller, and in the description below I will put the links to my Etsy store and also my eBay store. And before we get started, if you would kindly subscribe or leave a comment or a like on this video, it would really be truly appreciated. So today is kind of a follow-up to a video that I did a couple of months ago. I went to Goodwill and I paid either 50 cents or $1 separately for 4 different pastel baby blankets, hand done, hand crocheted, and the first one is sold. And I'm surprised it took a couple months. I'm surprised it took that long. So this is the first one that has sold. This is the little fringed pink handmade baby blanket, and it really is adorable. I can show you the size here, so it's really perfect for an infant, going into kind of the young toddler age. So this one, I just looked at my notes, which I should keep better notes about what I pay for things. This one I paid $1.25 for, and I listed it for $39.50 on Etsy, and it just sold. So today we're going to be boxing it up and shipping it out. Here are the things that I use to really, in a nice way, package up all of the sales that I make. I've got a little piece of ribbon here, and I've got a little tag. I just cut this out myself, wrote it on there myself, and then I'll just tie this around the bag. I have got this at the dollar store. So cute, this tissue paper. And then I have a plastic bag that I will put the baby blanket in, and then of course a box that pretty much matches the fit. Now, there's a whole thing about boxes. This one is actually an Amazon box, and I don't like to reuse Amazon boxes. I like to use new ones, but I didn't have one that was really quite the right size, so I'm going with the Amazon box. Okay, now I also like to just sort of brush any of the fabrics that I have with a dryer sheet. It will lose some of the static electricity if it's in there, and then also kind of gives it a nice smell, but not too much, you know what I mean? You just want it to be fresh when they open up the package. And then you can look over and see if there is any lint or just anything that you missed, right? That might make this imperfect. And then you'll start to fold it up and we'll put it in the bag. Okay, and it is now time to fold it, to prepare it to put it in the bag. And I folded it in quarters and made it long, and as you can see, it will go in the bag, right? And now this bag is going to be a little bit tight, but I've already tested it and I kind of like the way it's going to work out. Okay, now I like this only because there's fringe here, as we can see, and I'm going to let the fringe hang on out the side and tie it off here. Okay, right, and then I will find a spot here somewhere, and I will put our tab on there, or a little tag. We'll put the tag on there. Okay, so we're going to put the tag on now, and I'm going to run it up in between that knot. Yep, hope you can see that. I think you can. And make sure they're pretty even. There we go. And okay, now comes our box. And where did I put the box? Oh, there it is. Okay, and now comes the box. There we go. Okay, now it goes in the box. Now I'm going to have to bend it just a little bit and manipulate it just a little bit to get it inside the box. Look at all that fringe. Oh, she's going to be so happy when she opens this up. And then here we go. All right. I'll go print the packing slip and we'll mail it on out. All right, so our little baby blanket is in a nice, tidy box. And Eric the mailman will come get it. I'll just take it downstairs, and Eric the mailman will come and take it away. And it's as simple as that. So, you know, give a subscribe, a like, or a comment. I sure would appreciate it. All right, folks, that's it for now. I thank you very much for watching, and I'll talk to you later.